Scene script. Ever wondered how AI can make you more money? Imagine a world where machines learn from their experiences, make decisions, and solve problems in ways that we humans do. That's artificial intelligence for you. It's not just a sci-fi concept anymore. It's a reality that's reshaping our world. Now let's talk about the money part. With AI, the potential to generate income is not just significant, it's transformative. The key here is to understand the capabilities of AI and the opportunities it presents. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your journey, AI can be your secret weapon to boost your income. From predicting market trends and personalized marketing to streamlining operations and enhancing customer experience, the applications of AI are vast and varied. But how can you leverage this powerful tool to make more money? Let's dive into 10 ways you can harness the power of AI to boost your income. Firstly, AI can predict market trends. This isn't a sci-fi movie, it's happening right now. Predicting market trends is like trying to predict the weather. It's complex, it's unpredictable, and it's crucial for making profitable investment decisions. But here's where artificial intelligence steps in. AI, like that friend who always seems to know what's trending before it's on the news, can analyze vast amounts of market data. It can sift through the noise of the world's markets, identifying patterns and trends that even the most experienced analysts might miss. It's like having a super-powered magnifying glass for the financial world. But AI doesn't just stop at analyzing. It uses this information to predict future market movements. Think of it as a financial fortune teller, only more reliable. It can help identify the best time to buy or sell stocks, or which sectors are likely to boom or bust. Imagine being ahead of the market curve thanks to AI. Now that's a future I'd invest in. Secondly, AI can personalize your marketing. No two customers are exactly alike, so why should your marketing strategies be? With the aid of artificial intelligence, you can now dive deep into the ocean of customer data. AI can analyze purchase histories, browsing behaviors, and customer feedback to create a detailed profile of each customer. This allows businesses to craft personalized marketing strategies that resonate with individual customers. Think of it as tailoring a suit. You wouldn't want a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, you'd want a suit that fits you perfectly, enhancing your best features. That's what AI does for marketing. By personalizing your marketing strategies, you can create a unique and meaningful connection with each customer. This not only increases customer engagement, but also boosts sales and revenue. So instead of casting a wide net hoping to catch a few fish, why not use AI to create a fishing rod tailored to catch the big ones? With AI, your marketing could be as unique as your customers. Thirdly, AI can streamline your operations. Imagine a symphony of gears and cogs all working in perfect harmony. That's your business with AI. By automating routine tasks, AI becomes the conductor of this orchestra, ensuring every piece moves in sync. Consider those pesky administrative tasks that eat up your day. Filing, scheduling, data entry, all necessary but oh so time-consuming. AI can take these off your plate, executing them with precision and efficiency. It's like having a tireless assistant working around the clock, without the need for coffee breaks or sleep. But the magic of AI doesn't stop at automation. It also provides insights to help you make smarter decisions. Think of AI as your strategic partner, offering data-driven advice on everything from resource allocation to process improvement. So with AI handling the mundane tasks and offering strategic guidance, you're free to focus on the exciting stuff, the big picture. AI can do the grunt work, leaving you to focus on the big picture. Fourthly, AI can enhance your customer experience. Picture this. You walk into your favorite coffee shop, and before you even say a word, the barista already knows your regular order. She's got your double-shot espresso with a dash of caramel ready to go. That's the level of personalization AI can offer. AI can analyze a customer's past interactions, purchases, and preferences to provide a personalized experience that makes them feel valued and understood. It's like having a personal concierge for each customer, anticipating their needs and providing tailored recommendations. This level of individual attention not only increases customer satisfaction, but also boosts their loyalty. And loyalty, my friends, leads to repeat business and ultimately increased revenue. By leveraging AI, you're not just selling a product or service. You're providing a unique, personalized experience that your customers will remember and appreciate. Happy customers, happy business, right? Fifthly, AI can help with fraud detection. Now let's talk about how AI can be your very own digital Sherlock Holmes. You see, AI isn't just good at making money, it's also excellent at saving it. Imagine having an intelligent system that can scan millions of transactions in a blink, spotting patterns and anomalies that the human eye might miss. This is exactly what AI does in fraud detection. It uses complex algorithms and machine learning to analyze data, identifying potentially fraudulent activities. It's like having a superpowered guard dog for your finances, tirelessly sniffing out any signs of foul play. And the beauty of it? It never sleeps, never takes a lunch break, and certainly doesn't need a vacation. By identifying fraud early, AI can save businesses significant amounts of money. It's a proactive approach that can prevent financial loss before it happens. So in essence, AI is not just a moneymaker. It's a money saver too. Keep your hard-earned money safe with AI. Sixthly, AI can drive your decisions with data. Now that might sound like a mouthful, but let's break it down. Imagine having a crystal ball that can sift through mountains of data in seconds, uncovering patterns, trends, and insights that would take a team of analysts weeks to find. That's what AI can do for your business. It's like having a superpowered assistant who never sleeps, constantly analyzing and interpreting data to provide you with actionable insights. Whether you're looking to optimize your operations, enhance your marketing strategy, or identify new market opportunities, AI has got you covered. Remember, in today's digital age, data is the new gold. But it's not about how much data you have, it's about how well you use it. And that's where AI comes in. It transforms raw data into valuable insights, enabling you to make informed decisions that drive growth and profitability. So don't just make decisions, make smart, data-driven decisions with AI. Seventhly, AI can optimize your pricing. Now you might be thinking, how can a machine decide the best price for my product? Well, AI is more than just a machine. It's a sophisticated tool that can analyze a vast amount of market and customer data, and then use that analysis to determine the optimal price point for your products or services. Imagine this. You're selling a product, but you're unsure about the price. Too high and you risk losing customers, too low and you're leaving money on the table. This is where AI swoops in. By analyzing factors like customer buying habits, competition prices, and market trends, AI can suggest a price that is just right. And it doesn't stop there. AI can also dynamically adjust prices based on real-time market changes. This way, you're always one step ahead, maximizing your sales and profits. It's like having your very own pricing guru. Get the best price for your products or services with AI. Scene script. Eighthly, AI can predict maintenance needs. Imagine having a crystal ball that tells you exactly when your equipment will need maintenance. Well, thanks to AI, such foresight is no longer in the realm of fantasy. AI uses sophisticated algorithms to analyze data from equipment and systems, learning from past performance to predict future maintenance needs. The more data it has, the better AI becomes at predicting when maintenance will be required. This is not just about predicting when something will break, but also about understanding when maintenance can improve performance. The beauty of this is that AI can prevent costly breakdowns and unscheduled downtime. By predicting maintenance needs, businesses can schedule maintenance during non-peak hours or when the impact on operations is minimal. This ensures that your business runs smoothly and efficiently without any sudden hitches. So, if you want to keep your business running like a well-oiled machine, consider AI for predictive maintenance. Prevent costly breakdowns with AI. Ninthly, AI can help with talent acquisition. Imagine this. A tool that can sift through countless resumes, analyze each candidate's skills and experience, and then rank them based on their suitability for a specific role. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? But it's not. It's the power of artificial intelligence at work. AI can analyze vast amounts of candidate data in a fraction of the time it would take a human. This not only speeds up the hiring process, but also helps to identify the best talent for your business, ensuring a perfect fit every time. And we all know that great talent leads to increased productivity, which in turn leads to increased profits. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. AI can also help to remove unconscious bias from the hiring process, promoting a more diverse and inclusive workforce. So if you're looking to take your talent acquisition to the next level, don't underestimate the power of AI. Find the best talent with AI. Finally, AI can drive business innovation. Yes, you heard it right. Artificial intelligence isn't just about automating tasks or predicting trends. It's also your go-to partner for business innovation. Picture this, you're in a brainstorming session and you're stumped. Where do you turn? To AI, of course. It can sift through vast amounts of data to identify patterns you might have missed, unveiling new business opportunities. AI can also propose innovative solutions to existing problems. Let's say you're struggling with a bottleneck in your supply chain. AI can not only identify the issue but can also suggest efficient solutions, which could be as revolutionary as a new business model. Moreover, AI can drive revenue growth by discovering untapped markets or customer segments. It's like having a 24/7 innovation consultant always ready with fresh ideas. So why wait? Innovate and grow your business with AI.